Replace the Carriage Condensate Ventilator on the HP Latex R printer series when it is not working correctly. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. From the list of maintenance operations, touch Replace the Carriage Condensate Ventilator and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Open the carriage cover. Use a T20 screwdriver to loosen the 5 top screws and then the 4 lateral screws, attaching the condensate ventilator to the carriage. Move the carriage to the left to reach the 3rd and 4th screws. Open the top window and the curing module. Move the carriage to the left and then tilt the condensate ventilator to remove it from the carriage. Install the bottom of the condensate ventilator and then install the top. Move the carriage to the right. Tighten the 4 lateral screws and then the 5 top screws to secure the condensate ventilator to the carriage. Close the curing module and then the top window. Close the carriage cover